Good morning. Today's ride is going to be off-road. So we've just headed down off the main road, got the gravel bike, in a t-shirt, which just feels really nice to actually ride in. It's so warm already. It's about 9 o'clock, really warm. Really warm. And so yeah, we're just going to be heading off-road. Apparently this route is going to be potentially quite technical, which will be a bit of a challenge for me. So I'm going to give it a go. No rush, no stress, just got shorts, t-shirt, and just going to have a fun day in the sun off-road. So I'll see you probably when I'm struggling to get up a climb or when the gravel gets too sketchy. So see you in a little minute. Right, look at this. This is so close to where I live, and I've never been here before. We just brought the bikes down, sitting at the side of the waterfall. I don't even know what that is. It's like a big old building. What was that? Do you know what that building was? Huh? A mill. It was a mill. Old mill there that's just all falling down. Beautiful waterfall, loads of rocks, loads of trees just in the middle of the forest. It is so incredible. I think that's why this type of riding is just, I love it. Just because you get to find little places like this and just sit down. I'm just going to sit and have a drink, and then I'm going to go that way. So we're going to carry our bikes. We're going to take our shoes and socks off, carry our bikes through the water, and then just carry on. But this is absolutely just stunning. It's such a nice day for it as well. It's just so pretty. Yeah, I thought you were going to go that way, diagonal.
Yeah, I think it's just easier to get the bike down on this side. Oh. Woo. That'll wake you up.
My feet are numb. Oh, it's so cold. Woohoo! Check my shoes up. Yup, whoop, whoop.
Gotta go through another stream.
Another stream?
This one's got some like downhill mountain bike trail that you have to get to it though.
Let's go. That's what I'm loving about having a gravel bike, that you can just go and find all these little pathways and I don't know, just that I've never explored before. And the pace is so different. It's not like being on a road bike where you're like either looking at power or this is literally just back to being a kid again and just for the enjoyment of riding. Obviously it is like that on a road bike, but this is even more like just relaxed and just steady and just stopping when we want to stop. Again, you can do that on a road bike, but I just feel like with this it's a lot less for now. Just good fun, good day out. This is so much fun. It's so different to what I'm normally used to doing, but I am loving just like this is honestly like being a kid again and just being out with your mates, just getting up to a bit of fun. So I've just nipped into Heaton Park just because it's just so sunny, and just having a little lie out in there, just getting some sun on the old bod. And then I think when I find a little gravel way, what he's doing. Are you alright? What are you doing? Find a gravel way back home. And then yeah, I think what I've realised today is like, I mean, we've not done particularly far distance wise. Have a look on the Strava if you want to look where we've been. But it's just been nice. We've been out like most of the morning, most of the afternoon, just pootling around on the gravel. So yeah, I reckon that'll be it for this video. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'm actually going to be trying some new tyres, some new tubers. So maybe I'll do like a tubeless setup if you want to see that, because I'm not that confident on how to do it. So I will speak to one of my friends who knows how to do it, and then we could do a video on how to actually set them up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you next video. Does your stick work? I'm not a poser. Do you think I'm a poser? Do you think I'm a poser?
I don't think I know.